everybody, excuse the mess, but I wanted to do this while it was still on my mind. A friend asked me what the plan was with this flap, like how it was going to attach, and I didn't even think of that when I designed the album. Like, I don't know if I was just thinking it was just miraculously, you know, going to stay there or what. So I thought I would do a quick little video to give you some ideas of what you could do. So one idea is you could just leave it like this, and then, let me see, you could like if you have some nice paper clips or even some plain paper clips, and put some ribbon on the end or washi tape, and you could hold it in place like that, or even clips like these. You could use one of those, or if you want it to be fixed down, you could cut the back of this off and just leave enough for a strip of glue. So you would cut this off to about here and then add glue to the back. No, you wouldn't. Let me take that back. So you would cut it off to there, add glue to this side, and then glue it there. And you would have your flap just on the one side. Or you can take washi and put a strip of washi here, and then put a strip of washi here, and then you have flaps on both sides. You could leave it like this on this side, and then on this side you could go down further and maybe put a score line, and then put some glue here, and then this one would just flip up that far. Or again, still have a flap on that side, but then on this side you could either just put one strip of glue down here and you have a pocket that can go all the way through, or you could put a strip of glue here and on one side, and then it's just a pocket that's open on one side. What else did I think about? Let me grab my sheet of paper. I was jotting down ideas as they came to me. Done that. Okay, I've only not mentioned one, and that was that you could cut this in half, and okay, let's just pretend that's one piece. Then you could score it and glue here, and then it's just one flap like that, and then you can use the other half for another spot in the album. You could even, if you want to, put both sides on this side, add a strip of glue back here, score it, and then you have one flap, and that's glued down, and you would have another flap. So I mean, that's just ideas I thought of while I was editing another video and chatting with my friend. I just jotted down those ideas. So I mean, I'm sure there's tons of other ideas of things you can do. I just wanted to give you some ideas. Trying to think if I can think of any more right now. I mean, if you wanted to, it doesn't even have to be a flap. You can make it a pocket on both sides, and put a piece of glue down here and a piece of glue down there. And then you have a pocket and a pocket. And remember, it doesn't have to be up top either. If you want it on the bottom, you can do that. If you do it on this side, I don't know if it may interfere. I would keep it up top, because I think if you have it on bottom, it's going to be a pain in the butt, because it's going to want to fall open. And plus, sticking with the somewhat design of the album, probably best to keep it on top. But you have so many options of how you can keep it there. I mean, this is the easiest one. So, there you go. That's the one where this, although you can configure yours how you want, but this is the page that is like that. So I hope that has helped, and I'm sorry I didn't even think of that when I was doing the video for the album. So if there's anything else like that anybody comes across in the album that I didn't think about, let me see. I mean, you know, for the pocket, this pocket page, you can just add glue to these edges. That's all you need. You don't need to add glue in there. You can if you want, but it's not necessary. That's that. We've gone over that. I think that's it. And I've done my flaps so I can show you. I added a piece of washi on this side and a piece on this side. So this is the page with the two flaps. And I also added glue to my washi because I don't trust washi all on its own. Okay? So I hope that helps. As you can see, I'm going with collage on mine. I'm trying to keep it simple though and not have it too busy. So I'm kind of going for the collage doodle style. And I did add more of that tape to the other hinge like somebody suggested to, because this one's pretty strong. Although on this side, it's on both the inside and the outside because I had to attach it to the page. This didn't need to be attached, it was already there, so I only added some to the outside. So it's not quite as stiff as this one. This one's almost too stiff for my liking. But anyhow, I just wanted to make that video to give you those little tips. I hope you guys are enjoying it and playing along. Talk soon. Bye. Thanks so much for stopping by. Let me know if you like my videos by leaving me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also head over to my Instagram account and say hi to me over there. If you have any video requests, leave a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. And don't forget to check out my other videos.